Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, in this question it is given that there is a continuous random variable x with the density function f of x which is equal to 1. This is for 0 is less than x is less than 1. That means this is a uniform distribution with parameter a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 1. Then by using this, first we have to calculate the probability of generating a random number between 0.15 and 0.75. So probability of 0.15 is less than x is less than 0.75. Now this is equal to this probability we can compute as the upper range of this probability, which is 0.75 minus 0.15 divided by b minus a, that is 1 minus 0, and we will get the required probability is equal to 0.60. Then next we have to calculate the probability of generating a random number with a value less than or equal to 0.30. So probability of x is less than or equal to 0.30. Now here the upper value is 0.30 and the lower value is always 0 divided by p minus a, that is 1 minus 0, and which is equal to 0.30. Then next we have to compute the probability of generating a random number with the value greater than 0.60. So probability of x is greater than 0.60 is equal to, now here the lower value is 0.60 and this is the uniform distribution, so the upper value is always 1. So this is 1 minus 0.60 divided by 1 minus 0, and that is equal to, the required probability is 0.40. Then next we have to generate 50 random numbers by entering the Excel function RAND into 50 cells on the Excel worksheet. So for that, to generate 50 random numbers, now there are 3 steps. So in the first step we have to select the cell A1 in the Excel worksheet. Then in the second step, type the Excel function, which is RAND, and opening and closing bracket, and press enter. Then after pressing enter key, we will get one random number in the cell A1, and then after getting the random number in the cell A1, in the third step, to generate a list of random numbers, select cell A1, and click on the lower right corner of the cell A1 and drag it down. Now we have to generate 50 random numbers, so we have to drag it down till A50. So in this way we will get 50 random numbers. And by using these same steps, I have already generated 50 random numbers. So these are my 50 random numbers, and for that we need to compute the mean and the standard deviation. So mean is equal to summation of xi divided by total number of observation, that is n, which is equal to, now here the sum of all these observation in the column of x are 19.50, 0.97 divided by total number of random numbers are 50. So we will get the value of a mean is equal to 0.3902. This is the mean, and the formula for the standard deviation, that is S, is equal to summation of xi minus x bar bracket square divided by n minus 1, which is inside the square root sign. Now here I have already calculated the value of x bar, and we have these values of xi. So by using that, we will get the value of the standard deviation S is approximately equal to 0.2736. So I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.